What's going on, guys? So here we have a 2012 Acura TSX Wagon. Came in for a full air suspension install at Airlift 3P. Let's slam it. Right now, this is ride height. This is ride height. Looks slammed. Oh, it's gonna look nice, but very nice. Look how low this goes. All right, so bag install 100%. Basic stuff, just a remote airlift right there. Boom. And the back, simple trunk setup. So here we have the tank mounted on the top. It's a 4-gallon, I think it's an Air Max tank. Yes. Air Max XXX. Then we have JO audio, 12-inch. Yes. That's not the 13.5 or whatever they call it. So no. It's a 13-inch JO that they have, but I doubt it. But this is simple audio build / trunk setup, air suspension. So down here we have 2 by air compressors, 2 JO amps. Got a 1000x1 and then the 300x4. W7 official box. This is a pre-made box. We didn't build this box. We had to build these things on the side just to make it busy, and obviously we did the whole platform on top with some ambient lights, as you could tell. Really brings out the base box, the whole look. We also added some ambient light down back there. We wrapped this in some brushed aluminum vinyl to match the amp down there. What else we did? Did some acrylic work right here with some RGB light there, RGB light there. And this is nice right here. Got the floating tank. This is very nice.